Now, welcome to the final part of travel grants, international travel grants for Indian scholars, PDFs, and researchers. Here the first one is AICTE travel grant. AICTE is All India Council for Technical Education. This travel grant is exclusively for faculties in AICTE approved institute or university department which has at least 5 years of existence and as well as NBA accredited. So this one, the scholars or PhD, PDFs, they cannot avail it. This is to foster research and development in technical education, and it is available for conferences, being part of conferences as subject experts or workshops, trainings, etc. 100% reimbursement of the expenses will be given, but maximum limit is 1.5 lakhs. This is a sort of like a project, so duration it is sanctioned to the institution or university. So once sanctioned, it cannot be again applied for max 3 years. So that is once in 3 years, and a participant, that is a faculty who is applying for this, he or she can apply for and avail it only once in 2 years. This one, the travel should be made only through Air India, and if a flight for your designation is not available through Air India, a certificate from Air India should be given. And this one, a 3-member expert committee evaluates the proposal and take the final decision. Next one is Inlaks Shivdasani Foundation Travel Grant or Inlaks Research and Travel Grant. So this is a bit different because all the earlier ones which we have seen, the funding agency is some way or other a government agency. This is a foundation. So this is available to PhD scholars in the 2nd or 3rd year of their PhD and those who are in humanities and social science subjects only. And this is given for short-term visits abroad to collect materials, utilize facilities and consult experts. So this is not available for conferences, workshops or trainings, but to do a part of their PhD work. And a support is maximum given for 3 months, and application is only during the applied or notified time. They will notify it in the website. The upper age limit of the scholar who can apply for this is 35 years, and in this what it all covers is a travel allowance of up to $1,000, maintenance expense of $2,000 per month maximum, and funds for collecting materials or cost of the materials and all up to $500, and health allowance or health insurance allowance of $500. This in the website you will get the application form, and along with that you also need a writing sample, one of your writing samples like a published paper, thesis or something like that, and also LOR, the letter of recommendation from the supervisor and the university where you are registered. Also a letter of invitation from the host university or host professor is needed for this. Now there is one for exclusively for mathematics, that is NBHM travel grant. It is given by the National Board for Higher Mathematics. Like the name, it is for mathematicians to attend conferences, symposia, summer schools, trainings, etc. This you have to apply 3 months prior, and the application is through online only, and once availed you cannot apply it for like next 2 years, that is once in 2 years. This also give partial or full travel assistance, and also it also covers the registration fee, health insurance and visa fees. The next one is SJEF travel grant. It is by the Indian Institute of Metals and under their Swarna Jayanti Endowment Fund, that is SJEF, and this is available exclusively to metallurgy and metal science researchers or faculties, and only IIM, that is Indian Institute of Metals members who are research scholars, PDFs, young scientists or faculties can avail this, and the upper age limit is 35 years. Here a maximum of 30,000 rupees you will get, and this travel grant, this one you can use for travel inside India also, not just abroad but also inside India, and travel should be made through the travel agencies mentioned in the website like Air India and all, Indian Railway, etc. Then acceptance letter from the host or organizing committees as well as the abstract which got accepted should be submitted along with the application form, which is online. The final one in the final part is ACM India IARCS travel grants. This is by the Indian Association for Research in Computer Science and Association for Computing Machinery. This one, the researchers and faculties in all areas of research related to computer science can apply for attending or presenting in conferences and other academic meetings. This will provide you partial support for travel and registration, which is up to 60,000 rupees and maximum 1 lakh rupees. This you can avail it if you are for traveling and registration inside India also. So if the conference is India or abroad, both you can apply for this once in a year. Once you claim it, then you can apply it next year also, which is online application. And there is some exceptions, that is people from premium research institutions like IITs, IISCs, ICER, CMI, IMSC, TIFR, etc. They are not eligible to apply for this travel grant in the context of they are having so many other options of travel grants within these premium research institutions. Thank you so much for watching, and I am hoping to have your comments and suggestions in the comment section. Grants, but and also in a like specified travel grants available by different funding agencies, especially by memorial funds and all. If you want to know, I would like to know if you would like to know more about such grants also. If you find these videos useful, please do subscribe and share it with people who you think will be beneficial. Thank you so much.